Hi guys, Amanda here from softwaredev.com. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to spoof the GPS location for my iPhone on iOS 18. Let's get started. You can check the iOS version of my iPhone. It's 18.2.1. Firstly, prepare the USB cable. Secondly, download and install the iPhone location changer on your Mac computer. Launch the app. Click Start. Connect your iPhone to your computer with the cable. Then you're required to unlock your screen. Use the passcode or your Face ID. On the home screen of the program, click Modify Location. Enter the passcode of your Mac. Wait for a while and the app should detect your iPhone immediately. On the top left search bar, I can select a location on the drop-down menu or type a destination GPS location. It reminds you that if you play the geolocation-based games with the app, there is a cooldown timer. Hit OK. Enter a GPS location. Hit the result of the precise GPS location. Click Modify on the map. The location is changed instantly. Then we can check the GPS location from the iPhone. Open the Map app and locate to the current GPS location. It's exactly the same GPS location as the program. And the GPS location on my iPhone should synchronously change with the program on my Mac computer. Let's check it again. The upgraded version of the program changes the GPS location very fast. Smart to use. I can also customize the routes on the GPS location changer app. After modifying the GPS location first, we can customize the GPS moving routes on the map. Choose one spot as the start point and another spot as the end point on the map. On the top left pane, we can set the moving speed among walking, bike, motorbike, and car driving. Hit Start Moving after everything is ready. Just observe the screen to see the GPS moving. Also, I open the Map app to check the GPS moving routes. After zooming in the screen, I can see it clearer. If we like the routes, we can also add it to our favorite by hitting the star on the left pane. It also offers multi-stop mode and the joystick mode. Thank you. Bye bye. See you in next video.